Hi students, today we will revise chapter 5. We will do the revision by reading the chapter from the book line by line. So everyone open the book chapter 5. Let us start the class. Today we are starting a new chapter, Mouse and Input Device, chapter 5. In this chapter we will learn about identify different types of mouse, different types of mouse action, and the use of mouse for drag and drop activities. Now first, before starting the chapter, we have a get going. There are certain numbers here. You have to make this mouse reach the hole by moving only the starting from 20. You have to do the proper numbering like 20, 21, then you have to find 22 over here, then you have 23, 24, both are there. Check which one will be correct. Suppose 24, then 25. In this way you have to arrange the numbers, collect the numbers from 20 to move the mouse over here, and the box will be blue colored. Okay, this is your HW work of today. Do it and send it to me for correction. Okay, now let us start the class. A computer mouse is an input device. We all know in the previous class we have learned about the mouse, that mouse is an input device. It is used to give input by selecting things on the monitor. On the monitor screen, whenever you want to select anything, we use the mouse. And for playing games, drawing pictures, we use the mouse. For selecting things, for playing games, for drawing picture, we use the mouse pointer. Next, please turn the page. Now, it has a wire which is attached to the CPU. It has a wire which is attached to the CPU box. See, this is the mouse. This is the wire. This is the wire. Using this wire, this mouse is attached to the CPU box. It is kept mostly on the mouse pad so that it works properly. So the mouse is mostly kept on the mouse pad so that it can work properly. So the mouse has a wire that is attached to the CPU box, and mostly the mouse is kept on a mouse pad so that it works properly. This is the wire and this one is the mouse pad. When you move the mouse, a white arrow moves on the monitor. This is called the pointer. A pointer is used to point at the icons. On the computer screen, the picture is given. You can see this one is the pointer. This arrow is the pointer. This is called the mouse pointer. It is a white color arrow that moves on the monitor when we move the mouse. This pointer is used to point at the icons on the monitor screen. Types of mouse. Types of mouse. Types of mouse. The mouse may be of different types. Earlier, mouse had 2 or 3 buttons. See, this is a 2-button mouse. This one is a 3-button mouse. 2-button mouse has a left button and a right button. 3-button mouse has a left button, has a right button and a middle button. These are the earlier used mouse. 2-button mouse and 3-button mouse. Next we have the scroll mouse, where the scroll wheel is there. The scroll mouse has 2 buttons and a scroll wheel in the middle. The scroll wheel is used to move a page up or down. The scroll wheel is used to move the page up or down. It has two buttons on it, left button and right button, and a scroll wheel. Next, ball mouse. The mouse has a rubber or metal ball under it. A ball is there below the mouse, a metal ball or a rubber ball. When you move the mouse, the ball rolls and this ball makes the pointer moves on the screen. This is called the ball mouse. This mouse has a rubber or a metal ball under it. Next we have the optical mouse. This optical mouse does not have any ball under it. It uses light to move the pointer. Instead of the ball, it has light. These days, laser mouse is also available. It uses a laser light to sense the movement of the mouse. So below it, we have the laser light that sense the movement of the mouse when we move the mouse. For example, this one is a laser mouse and you can see the laser light over here. When I move the mouse, that time this laser light sense the movement of the mouse and do the actions accordingly. Please turn the page. Next we have the wireless mouse. This one is the wireless mouse. See, no wire is there. This one is a wireless mouse. This mouse does not have a wire to connect to the CPU box. It uses signals to connect. A wireless mouse can be a ball mouse or an optical mouse. This one is an optical wireless mouse. We have the laser light below it to sense the movement of the mouse. Next, how is to hold a mouse? How to hold a mouse? With both the right and the left hand, we can hold the mouse. Now let us see how we are holding it with the right hand. Suppose this one is the mouse and this is my right hand. When I am holding the mouse with the right hand, see, the index finger is on the left button and the middle finger is on the right button. And the thumb and the other two fingers are just on the two sides to hold the mouse. So when we are holding the mouse with the right hand, the index finger is on the left button and the middle finger is on the right button. And we are holding the other fingers like this to hold the mouse. Now when we are using the left hand to hold the mouse, that time the index finger is on the right button and the middle finger is on the left button and the other fingers are holding the mouse like this. When you are holding the mouse with the left hand, the index finger is on the right button, the middle finger is on the left button and the other fingers are holding the mouse by the two sides. In this way, we are holding the mouse. Now we have a flash test on page 38. Write the names of the types of mouse in the boxes given below. First one, wireless mouse, wireless mouse. Optical mouse, optical mouse. Two-button mouse, two-button mouse. Scroll mouse, scroll mouse. Repeating it once again, wireless mouse, optical mouse, two-button mouse, scroll mouse. Please turn the page. One important thing we will learn in this page. See the fast fact of page 39. The first computer mouse was invented by Douglas Engelbart and Bill English. It was made of wood. This thing you have learnt in class 1. I think everyone remember this. The first computer mouse was invented by Douglas Engelbart and Bill English, and that first mouse was made up of wood. Now we will learn about some mouse actions. You can use the mouse in different actions. So there are different mouse actions. Like the first one is click. Simple click. Click means to press the left button with our index finger and release it quickly once. It makes a click sound. A mouse click generally means left click. Click is used to select things on the monitor. That means when you are using the mouse, simply right hand we are using to hold the mouse. Whenever we are clicking the left mouse button once, like this, this is called the click, and generally the mouse click is called the left click. We click the left mouse button, and when this click is used, it is used to select anything on the monitor screen. Next, double click. Double click means to press and release the left button 2 times quickly. It will make a click sound. Double click is used to select and open a program. So whenever we are doing the double click, see, this is called the double click. 2 times we are clicking the left mouse button very frequently. And when we use this double click, the click sound happens, and this double click is used to select and open any program. Next, drag. Drag means to press the left mouse button and move the mouse while keeping the button pressed. Drag is used while drawing picture. That means we have to click the mouse button, hold it and move our mouse. That is called the drag action, and this drag is used while we are drawing picture on the computer. So drag means click the left button, hold the left button. We will not release it now. After dragging it to a certain place where we need to move the mouse, there we will go and release our finger. This is the drag action. Please turn the page. Next we have the drag and drop. Select an item on the desktop and then drag it. Now release the mouse button. The item moves to the new place. This is called drag and drop. So what we are doing, we are clicking the left button and holding it and moving the mouse to another location, and over there we are releasing the key. This is called drag and drop. When we are moving any icon from one place to another, like here, we use this action, drag and drop. Next, scroll. Scroll means to move the scroll wheel with our index finger. This action is called scrolling. The scroll wheel is used to move the page up or down. Now, this is the scroll wheel. This scroll wheel is used by the index finger like this. And this action is called scrolling. And the scroll wheel is used to move any page up or down. When we are moving it up, it will move up. When we are moving it down, it will move down. Right click means to press the right button and release it quickly. This also makes a click sound. It is used to open a list of commands called a shortcut menu. So whenever we need to right click, that means when we are holding the mouse with the right hand, that time middle finger is used to press the right button once. This will also make a click sound, and it is used to open a list of commands called the shortcut menu. The list of commands that is opened is called the shortcut menu. Whenever we are right click, a list of commands will open, that is called a shortcut menu. Now here we finish the explanation of the chapter. Now we will write the let's recap in the computer CW copy and learn it. So turn the page to page 41. Mouse pad is used to place the mouse. Mouse pad is used to place the mouse. An optical mouse uses light to move the pointer. An optical mouse uses light to move the pointer. In the ball mouse, the pointer moves when the ball under it moves. In the ball mouse, the pointer moves when the ball under it moves. Moving the page up and down using a scroll wheel is called scrolling. Moving the page up and down using a scroll wheel is called scrolling. The list of commands which opens on right click is called a shortcut menu. The list of commands which opens on right click is called a shortcut menu. You have to write this in the computer CW copy and learn it. As we have done the revision of the chapter 5, today's homework will be to read the chapter line by line at home at least for 2 times. If anyone has any query, please write in the comment box. I will reply you back. Stay at home, stay healthy, read the chapter. Bye bye.